Haiti. Haiti is a nation lifted by courage, not fear. These are the ones who refused to bow to any challenge, the ones who raised a people, a flag, and a freedom. Since 1804, Haiti has shown the world what dignity truly means. And in 1974, we made the world hear our name once again. Now, after nearly half a century, despite the ads, we rise again. We return. We stand tall. This is not only about football. It is about pride. It is about memory. It is about hope. Haiti is courage that never fades. It is a flame that never goes out. It is a spirit that never dies. Haiti, we are still here. And this time, no one can stop us.